You've downed 3 of those in a row, you addict. It's time for us to go patrol.
All this ice cream's got me tired. I never realized that eating could take so much energy out of you. I'm afraid I've lost the will to work anymore today.
You're my partner. Please, help me out.
Well, if you buy me another cone, I could take it under consideration.
Get up. Otherwise, I'll have to tell leadership you're useless. As a devil, they'll slaughter you. Is that what you want?
Dying sounds like way more fun than working, to be honest.
He's the strongest member of Division 4 after Captain Kishibe. You'd be interested to know that he killed every single person in the village where he was born. Or more accurately...
Yummy. Looks delicious. One moment, human. Get back over here. I'm a devil first, I just happen to look like...
I can't even pretend to get along with you.
I guess not. It's one of Aesop's fables. The country mouse lives a safe life, but doesn't get to enjoy good food like the city mouse does. The city mouse can get all kinds of delicious stuff to eat, but he's constantly in danger of getting killed by a cat or a human. Personally, I'd rather be the country mouse. But Makima captured me and brought me to the city. My heart belongs far from here. I don't want to follow a city mouse like you and put myself in danger.
Whatever.
Nah, I'm not talking the angel. Also, turns out he's a dude.
What gives? You didn't tell him you'll be dead before he's promoted.
Where did you hear that?
Power told me.
Damn loudmouth devil. You, keep your mouth shut.
You're such a lucky mortal. Wish the one dying soon was me instead. Oh, that's right. You have a new contract with the Future Devil, don't you? Do your partner a favor. What's wrong? Start the engine. Huh? Hey, good news. It looks like Chainsaw finally decided to wake up.
No! Shit! If it comes down to it, I'll crash the car into that bitch!
You're going to go to heaven. I need your blood, though. I'm sorry.
Grab onto something!
I can't! There's nothing! Just let go! I said let go! I'll be alright! So what if I die? Just means my time's up! I'm telling you! It's okay, I've been ready to die for a long time! Why did you touch my hand? Do you want to die?
Hell no, I don't want to die! How much time did I lose?
About 2 months.
If you want to die, then go ahead. Just do it somewhere far away. I'm sick and tired of people dying on me. Right before my eyes.
Well, I am an angel. Hey, is the city a good place?